To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Amazon Kindle Fire HD6. Gently disconnect and remove the original battery as shown. Connect your new extended life battery from newpower99.com and seat it into your device. Replace the cover and snap in place as shown. Turn on your Kindle Fire HD with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Kindle Fire HD should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.